Vanshika Bansal, your host for today, and you are watching Address of Choice, the best place for your virtual flat hunting experience. Address of Choice provides you with detail-oriented video about different properties in different cities. We have covered Pune, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Noida, Bangalore, and there are still many more to come. So stay tuned for that. Well, today we are at Kalpataru Elitas. Kalpataru is building trust from over 50 years now. It is listed among the top 3 power industries. Not only this, it is based on international level. Kalpataru has its own in-house department, PSIPM, which looks after the maintenance once the project has been delivered, to maintain the quality and provide its residents or customers with very luxurious and quality maintained lifestyle. Also, Kalpataru builds its own construction and does not hire anybody else from outside. So now let's take a look at the Kalpataru Elitas project, which is situated in Mulund West. Let's go. Kalpataru Elitas is situated on the banks of the LBS road. If I speak about the connectivity and locality of this project, then Nahur and Mulund station are only 2.5 km away. 2 upcoming metro stations are under the proximity of only 5 minutes. 2 to 3 minute distance from Sonapur signal, and GMLR tunnel is 2 minutes away. Eastern Express Highway is only 10 minutes away. Kalpataru Elitas is built on 6.5 acre of freehold land parcel. It is a mixed development project for residential as well as commercial space. Also, this project is a low density project. This project has 3 towers which consist of 587 units. Since the apartments has been sold in Jodi, it has been summed up to 500 families living in this project. The other major USP of this project is that it has proper surface parking with the provision of EV charging. If I explain to you about the formation of this project, then it has 3 towers, ground plus 38 story. It has 2-level basement parking and 4-level podium parking. And on 5th level, all the luxurious amenities of this project are available. Let's talk about the amenities that this project has to offer. So the first major USP of the amenity is that it is Jain and Ganesh temple inside the provinces of the project. Other amenities such as arrival court, salad and herb garden, meditation pavilion, butterfly nest, picnic and BBQ area with sitting, celebration lawn, senior citizen plaza, outdoor fitness station, pedal park, sculpture garden, art counter, toddlers and kids play area, adventure play, and tree house and send-up. There are many more other amenities which you will find. These are few of the finest work by Kalpataru. Kalpataru Aura, which is situated at Ghatkopar, is famously known for its architecture and has also received the Best Architecture Award. Not only this, Kalpataru Quorum Mall is famous mall in the Thane district. Kalpataru Elitas also offers you with 7 community zones with 40 plus amenities. Zones such as green zone, aqua zone, relaxation zone, spiritual zone, active zone, sports zone and kids zone. It is available for every age group. The principal architect of Kalpataru Elitas is none other than Kiran Kapadia, and landscape consultant is PLA Bangkok. Now let's take a look at the 3 BHK sample flat of Kalpataru Elitas, which is of the size 1015 carpet area. As soon as you enter, this will be your foyer area, which will be of the size 6.7 by 4.9. The whole area will come with the imported marble of the living and dining space. The living and dining space will be of dining space being 1.8 by 11.11 and living space 10.7 by 20.8 respectively. This is very spacious, as you can see. Over here is the kitchen, which is of the size 8.1 by 10.2. You will get 2 parallel platforms, one for your dry area and the other for your wet area. For kitchen, you will also be provided with ceramic tiles. Not only this, you will also get your utility area with vitrified tiles and the utility area will be of the size 6.11 by 3.6. This is the wide passage area for your bedroom number 1. As soon as you enter the bedroom, you will find the imported marble which will be provided by the builder, and the size of this bedroom is 10.1 by 14. It will also come along with an attached washroom is of the size 5 by 8 and it will be provided with ceramic tiles. This is the second bedroom, or you can call it kids room, which is of the size 9.7 by 12.10. It will be very spacious and it will come along with a half French window. Over here is the common washroom of the flat, which is of the size 8.1 by 5.1. This is the master bedroom of the flat, which is of the size 10.1 by 14. It also comes along with an attached washroom, which is of the size 8.5 by 5.1. You will have ceramic tiles over here, and in the bedroom you will be provided with imported marble. Now, once you have watched the flat will be provided to you in the condition as you can see it. Now, let's discuss the size and price of the flats. So, 1.5 BHK will offer you with the size of 477 or 478 carpet area with a starting price of 1.33 CR. 2 BHK offers you with the size of 789 to 802 carpet area with the starting price of 1.91 CR. 3 BHK will offer you with 1024 to 1056 carpet area with a starting price of 2.45 CR. And 3 BHK with deck will offer you 1116 carpet area with a starting price of 2.91 CR. Well, that was it about this beautiful and mesmerizing property of Kalpataru Elatus. The possession date of Kalpataru Elatus flats are in the mid of 2025. If you have any query or any doubt, you can call on the number which is mentioned in the description link or on the screen. I hope I was able to explain this property to you well. In this property, we covered the amenities, the USP and the connectivity of this project, and obviously the sample flat. So if you still have any doubt, comment down. I hope you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you so much.